how to insert charts from Google Sheets to Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you made your charts in Google Sheets but want to add it to your Google Slides? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then go to your Google Slides. Now, once you're there, you can see various options on the top. You need to go to Insert and then tap on it. Now you'll see chart option and you can see you can add your own chart, but if you want to add it from your Google Sheets, then you can see from Sheets at the bottom, tap on it, and then the sheets that have been saved to your drive will appear here. So you just have to tap on it and hit insert, and then if you want to link to spreadsheet, make sure you tick on it and tap on the chart and hit import. And that's it. It's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.